Welcome to Da Nang, the city where ancient history, sandy beaches, and fire-breathing dragons all collide. That's right, if ever you wanted to mix culture, relaxation, and a slight fear of mythical creatures, you've come to the right place. Join us as we explore Vietnam's gem, from the skies, through the hills, and even over some bridges that breathe fire. Let's go. Welcome to Da Nang! So we arrived in Da Nang like 2 hours early and the hotel said we can just leave our luggage. So ayun, nagliwaliw muna kami sa may beach. Oh, lakas ako Vietnam. Like this hotel. Check in and we go. Din ang pagoda mamaya. Din ang pagoda na siguro mamaya. And Dragon Bridge later tonight. So see you later! Bakit sala? Bedroom nga to. Paano siya naging sala? Dahil ba malaki siya, kaya mukha siyang sala? Dapat kwarto, di ba? Da Nang boasts 30 kilometers or 19 miles of coastline, offering endless opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Mikey Beach was named one of the world's most beautiful beaches by Forbes, thanks to its powdery white sand, clear blue waters, and a stunning backdrop of mountain. Home to the tallest Lady Buddha statue, Linh Ang Pagoda is famous for its 67-meter-tall Lady Buddha statue, the tallest of its kind in Vietnam. She stands gracefully overlooking the sea, blessing fishermen and protecting the city from natural disasters. The Linh Ang Pagoda on Son Tra Peninsula offers stunning panoramic views of Da Nang's coastline, mountains, and cityscape. Visitors often call it one of the most scenic spots in the city, making it a spiritual and visual retreat. Straight ahead! Kahanap kami ng dinner. Dito na kami sa mura-mura kasi naka-monoblock lang. Huwag kami dun sa seafood kasi mahal. Wala daw kaming budget, wala kaming pera. Oh my God. Wawa naman kami. But we survived our motorcycle afternoon.
Ito mga seafood na mura, oh.
Gusto mo?
Yeah, ito na kayo. Ito, masarap. Did you try?
No. Meron kami ng skinny crab. Ang tawag yan?
Baby crab.
Baby crab claw. $550,000. Meron kami frog.
Come on.
Come on. Meron kami frog with tamarind sauce. Meron kami prawn with garlic na parang may ketchup. And seafood fried rice. Baka naman masarap. Pero walang paplato, no? Pa-bowl nga. Bowl nga tayo kakain. And syempre, wala ba naman ang meal pag walang coke?
Walang tinidor.
Kamay-kamay lang, ganun. Kamay-kamay. Kaya merong tissue. May pa-tissue sila. So, kain tayo. Meron na naman kami na-observe dito sa Vietnam, guys. Nandito tayo sa intersection. Napakalaking intersection. Na walang traffic light. Amazing, diba? Bigayan lang. Disiplina sa daan. O, tingnan mo, diba? Ang dami-dami approaching. Ang dami-dami approaching. Pero walang traffic light. Basta go lang ng go. Tahimik ang buhay. Tahimik ang buhay. Yung pagbubusina dito, ano lang, yung parang, hello, nandito ako. Baka hindi mo ako nakikita, gano'n. Hindi yung, malis ka dyan. Hindi gano'n. So we finally made it to the Dragon Bridge of Da Nang. We're here sitting with the locals at the riverside, eating hot dog and iced tea. We just wanted to chill out. We're waiting for the show, for the Dragon to breathe fire at 9:05 p.m. Okay, they will have a show. Naiihi na ako actually, pero sige na lang, lalaban tayo para sa pagbuga ng apoy ng dragon na yan. We'll see how later.
And now, behold, the mighty Dragon Bridge. Because, you know, regular bridges are just so last century. Da Nang is home to the iconic Dragon Bridge, which is shaped like a dragon and spans the Han River. It's not just a bridge, but also a showpiece, as the dragon breathes fire and water during weekend nights, attracting both locals and tourists alike.
What can you say about the dragon show?
Tambucho.
May pagbuga lang ng apoy. Hello, walang gumagawang ganyan na bridge, di ba?
Tambucho lang. Tapos
No bridge does that in the Philippines. Only here. Even in Singapore, nothing. So it's just a spectacle.
It's nice, but the show is not fantastic.
It's just a one-time experience. It's
free.
It's a free show, and it's
somehow it's okay. So magagastos ang dala sa pagkain kasi pupwesto.
Yeah, pupwesto ka dapat ang maganda para makita mo yung show na maganda talaga. Holding hands while walking in the Han River. Arte! Pero magandang date spot to. Ang dami-daming
Ready for Valentine's.
tumatambay, ready for Valentine's. Yes. Pero talaga, naiihi na talaga ako. Saan kayo mga kaihi dito? Doon siguro. Oh, nice. Just like Taiwan, we always find night market by accident. Wala naman kaming balak pumunta dito. Pero dinala talaga kami dito kasi alam ng Lord na mahilig kami sa night market. So welcome to Shodem Sontra Night Market. Let's explore! Vietnamese coffee. Ayan o. Make your own coffee. It's so ba?
Hindi sarap. Kapag bread mo.
Injured yarn. Bakit ka na-injured?
Tapos nag-motor kami.
Ba't naman ka nag-motor?
Kasi magaling ako.
Oo.
Tapos, hindi lang malagay sa hangin. Tapos, hindi kami makasalungan. Hindi makamasagasaan sa daan.
Hindi marunong mag-park.
So, dahil pinigilan ko ang motor, parang dito rin mabangi.
Injured yarn.
For the injured tayo.
For the souvenir. Guys, meron kaming revelation. I think we have uncovered a hidden gem here. Bakit? Bakit again?
Dahil, this is where the local street.
Yes. Mga before 7 o'clock we arrived here and walang turista. Kami lang.
Mura na, masarap pa.
This is our second night. Bumalik kami dito kasi masarap siya. And
Masarap na, madumi pa.
yun yung nagpapasa. Kaya when you're in Danang, come to Lun Map. It's in front of Dana Bay. In front of Dana Bay Seafood.
One Lun Map. Bakit kami kayo sabi, gutom na. Nakalanta yung coke.
Oh, nataranta na sila kasi busy sila, guys. Oh. Kanina muntik na kami hindi ma-seat. Walang upuan. Ayan na, guys. Ang aming crab. Ay, ang kanyang crab pala. Di pala ako makain ng crab. Ito pala sa akin, prawns. Pwede na. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng beef. Stir-fried beef with lemongrass ba yun? Tapos seafood fried rice. Hindi usog dinidor dito. Chopsticks and spoon. Yun lang. Ay, hindi kayo binigyan today ng ano? Wet one. Baka nagkaubusan sila kasi ang dami talagang kumakain dito. So, saan tayo pupunta today?
Bana Hills.
Bana Hills?
For the Bana Hills.
We're on our way to A La Carte Hotel where our boss will pick us up. Book niya lahat sa Klook, guys. Very convenient. Pupunta kami dun sa tawag doon? Golden Bridge. Yung may pakamay. just arrived at Sun World. Papunta po kami sa cable car, papuntang Bana Hills. Oh my God. My forehead is very oiliness. Hindi naman siya oily. Dewy. Charot! Napaka-manicured naman ang gardens dito. Mga 10-minute walk na papuntang cable car.
Yan lang. Makabisi.
Gusto mo ng more? Soon.
So yung walking na.
Here we are, dangling high above the jungle in the world's longest cable car ride. It's not just a scenic view, it's a journey. We're talking Guinness World Record stuff here. Nearly 6 kilometers of pure aerial bliss. Or terror, depending on your love of heights. But hey, the higher you go, the cooler the air. And if you look closely, you might even spot some monkeys. Or realize you left your fear of heights way down there. The Bana Hills cable car holds multiple Guinness World Records, including the longest non-stop single-track cable car at 5,801 meters and the highest cable car climb at 1,368 meters between its lowest and highest points. The ride offers breathtaking panoramic views of lush forests, waterfalls, and mountains, giving visitors a bird's-eye view of the beautiful Bana Hills. The entire journey takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and the cabin travels at a speed of around 6 meters per second, making it both thrilling and scenic.
Guys, we just reached the first station, Gamasye Station. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Golden Bridge. Bakit ka nagtatago dyan? Dito ka sa kabila. Ano ka sa dami ng tourist? Sobrang dami ng tourist. Welcome to the Golden Bridge. Ayan o, on top of the clouds. Pero daming tao. Look at that. Look at them. Oh my God. So, kamusta experience?
Nakatakot yung
Expectation versus hindi mo naman yan, guys. Hindi mo naman, guys. Pero ang ganda. Look at the sea of clouds. Grabe. Grabe, guys. Ang daming tao. Ay, may tulips. Tunay ba yan? Oo. Tunay. Tunay ba? Tunay siya, guys. Walang kapeke. Pwede bang mamitas? Pwede bang mamitas at dalhin sa bahay? Cute naman dito. So guys, nasolo po namin ang cable car. Pero mas maganda yung kanina. Why? Kasi mahaba eh. Gusto natin ang mahaba. Bordeaux Station. Bordeaux. We're going to, I think, the French Village. Kaya parang under construction pa yata siya. Tinan mo. So we made it to the amusement park and we just had the virtual reality ride yata yun. VR ride. Ang ganda! Ang saya-saya. Feels great to be a kid again, right? Pero kanina, ay ano pala yun, yung VR namin kanina is 100,000 dong per person. Okay na din. Pero mayroon kaming sinakay na tram kay parang luch ng Singapore. It's free. Kasama siya sa ticket nyo. So, diba? Okay na. Ayan. Papa-ice cream kasi. Chicha! Ay, tayo doon. Parang masaya yun. Ayan o. Ayan ka. Saya-saya. Tapos babagsak yan ngayon. Bagsak! Yan ang ayoko. Hindi ko na kaya yun. Hello from France! Char.
Au revoir.
Enchanté. Oh, arte-arte.
Voulez-vous coucher?
We are at Notting Hill, the famous French village here. Look at this. Look at that architecture. Castles, flowers, and lots of people.
Now we've made it to France? Wait, nope. Still Vietnam. Welcome to the Bana Hills French Village, where baguettes meet banh mi, and you have to expect to see the Eiffel Tower pop up in the distance. Built by the French, this place is a strange and wonderful blend of European charm, complete with cobblestone streets, medieval-looking castles, and a surprising lack of croissant.
Welcome back to Singapore. This place is too crowded. Very touristy. Maganda naman siya. Mas maganda nga lang pag lesser people. So guys, na-solo na naman namin ang isang cable car to ourselves. Bongga. Ito pa naman yung medyo, malayo-layo. Mahaba-haba. Mahaba-haba. So, chinarter lang naman namin siya.
Artilado.
Narkila lang naman namin. Here we go! Ayan na guys, look at the clouds! We're heading towards the clouds. Wow. Finally, we're here! Ayan ang river na daanan.
Yes, we're safe and sound.
Thank you, Lord, for the safe cable car ride. We're finally here. Woohoo! Come on!
So, Benny, ano mga realizations mo sa ating travel? Ang natutunan ko dito, yung mga bata dito hindi mainom.
Ba't natutunan mo? Ano discover mo?
Tumatambay sila naka-ice tea, which is great.
Hindi mo natutunan mo. Ba't mo naman natutunan? Wala ka
Na-discover. Na-discover.
Ganyan.
Tapos nagpa-fog dito, bongga. Bongga ang fog dito. Yung mga restaurants, yung mga pungko-pungko sa gilid, usually, even mga cafes, usually their chairs are arranged not around the table. It's facing the street. No? For people watch, because they love people watch here. Huh? So shy. There's a people watching culture here. Majority of the tourists here are Korean.
Even the tourist destinations, they have Vietnamese and Korean instructions. Very, very little on English. Nag-work naman ang Google Translate and they can understand. Some of the people can talk a bit. But in general, okay naman. You will survive with English. But if you have Google Translate, you can definitely use that. Most of the signages is in Vietnamese also. You cannot read the name of the street. Nako-confuse kami pag nag-move kami ng Grab because we don't know the address. So you have to get a landmark. Pumunta ka ng Bana Hills, you have to wear jacket, sweatshirt, kasi malamig dun. And even dun sa taas, sa pool, ang hangin dun is very malamig. And their water here is very malamig. Everything here is very malamig. I think nag-winter dito. Bongga. Basta our travel this time, Hoi An is more of culture. Da Nang is more of seafood. Grabe ang seafood dito.
Da Nang is more of visiting
the usual tourist things. Pero ang daming turista dito. And ang daming cafe dito. Grabe ang cafe culture nila. Like, sunod-sunod ang cafe. Dito sa banda namin, kami bandang beach, there's seafood everywhere.
May mga yung kainan bukod sa mga...
Grab ka naman siguro. Ay, wala silang fast food dito, no? I haven't seen any... I mean, I know there is Jollibee in Vietnam, but I haven't seen one. I haven't seen McDonald's. I haven't seen Burger King. Wala silang mga ganun dito. They're more of local cuisine. Pungko-pungko sa gilid. Mas maraming pungko-pungko sa gilid dito. Yung mga those tiny plastic chairs na uupo ka sa gilid to eat like dessert. At saka there's friendly competition. Di ba nakita mo yung there's one place na selling desserts and that whole stretch is all desserts. No? Isang bar? All bars. Iba. Napaka-friendly ng competition. And the people here are nice, no? Generally. In general, they're nice. Hindi ka gaya sa Pinas na feeling mo magugoyo ka.
At ang massage na namin discount.
Palagi ka manghihingi ng discount to everything. They will give you discount.
You ask for discount, they'll give discount. You don't ask for discount, they don't give you.
So always, when you go to spas, when you go to market,
Anywhere you go,
ask for discount. Kahit nga butik, hininga naman ng discount. At saka kung gusto mo bumili ng mga, ano kasi dito, talamak ang counterfeit na branded items. Don't buy at the night market. Ang pangit ng quality. Meron talaga sila mga shops dedicated for that. And the quality is so nice. Diba?
I don't know, never buy.
Sure, ay, ano pala, ang mga buildings na dito is lane. Walang masyadong matabang building dito, no? Kung anong space, paakyat. Vertical. Ganun sila. Siguro mahal ang lupa. Basta slim ang building nila dito. Yun lang, guys. Don't forget to come to Da Nang. Ganda din dito. Napaka-relaxing ang vibe. Hindi siya fast-paced as Singapore. Kung gusto niyo mag-relax lang, huwag sa Ho Chi Minh, dito sa Da Nang. Sa Hoi An, But Hoi An, if you are not really, if you will not be doing like tailored suits and stuff, siguro mga 2 nights is fine, no?
Oo, nag-board na tayo sa
2 nights is fine. Kasi sa Hoi An, wala na masyadong ganap doon. Ano lang, lakad-lakad, explore.
So, what have we learned from our Da Nang adventure? 1. You can take a cable car to France without leaving Vietnam. 2. Dragons should be part of every city's infrastructure. And 3. Da Nang is the perfect mix of chill, beach vibes, historical wonders, and enough quirk to keep you guessing. Whether you're here to relax or to ride a flaming dragon bridge into the sunset, Da Nang is definitely a trip you won't forget. So until next time, keep wondering.